Hey, what's up guys? My name is Assie-Nkansah and this is App of the Week.
Skills on it, most definitely.
Alright, so App of the Week is all about, every week we'll talk about an app which I think will impact positively the life of all the people who watch, and this app will be found on the App Store and on the Play Store. So without further ado, the app of the week is Ada, A-D-A, Ada or Ada. So basically, Ada is a medical assistance app which gives you diagnosis by giving you questions in which you have to answer with the symptoms that you're experiencing, and then with this it will give you a summary of what is happening to you and to give you prognosis, treatment, preventions and all that. So what I really like about this app, what blew my mind, is that when you go to Ghanaian hospitals, they ask you what's wrong with you, and then you'll be like, oh, my head is aching and etc. Ada goes to the extreme extent of asking you which part of your head is aching in order to give you accurate results on what you will be experiencing or what you might be experiencing. But note, Ada is not a medical doctor, because in some situations what you might be experiencing, you need a blood test or something. But then this app is, I think, is to help. Let's say if it's a Sunday, something is happening to you, you want to know treatment, prevention, if there's a home remedy for it, Ada is the best app for you. So let's do a quick screen overlay to show you what Ada is all about. I think you see it here. If I'm able to put it here, then it will come as a separate video, but I'm sure you'll be seeing it here. So alright, so I started recording Wednesday 24th April. Today's my birthday, by the way, but then alright, it was dope. So back to it. So Ada is also password and email protected, so the security of your reports is assured. So yes, with Ada to this, the assessments can be for you, the person whose email is using, or for someone else. So let's go to myself and let's try headache. Let's see. So yes, whenever you type a symptom, it will give you, like, let's say a description. So sometimes some things are happening to us, we don't really know how to describe it. So sinus pain, pain behind the eye. So let's just go with normal headache, and it will load and go. How long does it load? And see, is your headache mainly located on one side or both sides? So why does it ask this question? So based on the side that your headache is, like the pain, where the pain is located, it will influence what is like actually happening to you, what it will report is happening to you. So that's the precision I was talking about here. So let's talk about, let's say, one side. So because I want this video to be very short, I won't go through the whole process. Usually it's like a 15-minute process. So another thing I like about Ada is, because it knows that it's an app, and then it can show you the parts that maybe it might be. Like, let's say it's your limb, nose, or let's say it's your back pain or something, some parts of your body. It will show you a diagram so that you know which parts it's trying to talk about. So right now it's asking me, is there an area of swelling on your scalp? So imagine if I didn't know what the scalp was. So I just go to, what does this mean? And then it will show me using a diagram where my scalp is. And I think that is pretty dope. Like, it gives you this more information, relevance, material information and all that. So is your scalp sore when you press or touch it? So what does this mean? And then it will show you what part of your body they are trying to talk about. I think Ada is an app that all of us, we can really benefit from. I'd like to thank you all for staying and for watching this entire video. I really had fun doing it, and I hope you had fun too watching it. I really like if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, And thank you very much for supporting. The name again is Assie-Nkansah, and this is the Assie channel. Peace.